How to delete Binance account permanently on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Binance account permanently on PC. To do so, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar you need to type binance.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button of your keyboard. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Binance. Here, make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, just next to this deposit button, you will be able to see your profile icon. Move your cursor to your profile icon, and from this drop down, you will need to select Settings option. Click on Settings. And once you do so, here at the left side you will find various options. Go ahead and expand this account option, click on it, and from here you will need to select Security option. Click on Security. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom under Account Management you will be able to see Delete Account option. It says that once you delete your account, you will not be able to access any of your data from your account. If you agree with that, then go ahead and click on this delete button at the right side. Once you click on this delete, you will be taken to a new page, and in this page you will need to select a reason why you are deleting your Binance account. You may choose any one of these reasons from the list, and once you select it, click on this continue button at the bottom. After that, here you will need to accept and continue the terms and conditions of Binance. Click on accept and continue and proceed further. Here it says once you delete your account, your identity verification might be rejected if another account is created. Also, it says that your transaction records will no longer be accessible once your account is deleted. If you want your transaction record, you will need to download it before proceeding with account deletion. Once you have done that, you will need to click on this checkbox that says I agree and accept to lose all of my assets. Once doing that, click on this delete account button at the very bottom. Now, if you have added any two-factor verification on your Binance account, here a code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Check the email, and once you get it, enter the code in this box. Once you enter the code here, it will start verifying the code, and then you will see your account has been successfully deleted. So by following the steps, you should be able to delete Binance account permanently on PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.